Now, China has created a world economic miracle, but the waste siege is also threatening the development of cities and people's lives. SUS Environment introduced and made innovations in mechanical-grade incineration technology, which solved the problems in the industry with foreign incineration equipment not being fit for waste in China, and significantly increased the proportion of self-produced incineration equipment. In addressing to the high moisture content and leachate of waste in China, SUS Environment improved leachate treatment system and realized the full recycle and reuse of the retreated leachate. It also self-researched and developed fly ash, a chelating agent for heavy metal in fly ash, which traps the toxic substances in fly ash and meets the domestic waste landfill pollution controlling standard when MSW was buried. Advanced flue gas cleaning systems are employed in all SUS Environment's projects, achieving minimum emission standards meeting not only national requirements, but also strict EU requirements. The highly efficient incinerating and waste heat utilization systems of SUS Environment make the electrical energy converted from incinerating a ton of waste enough for a family of 3 for 4 months. In 2014, CITIC Private Equity Funds Management, one of the largest industrial equity funds management companies in China, invested in SUS Environment and held its shares, which brought about the cooperation between technology and capital. SUS Environment developed rapidly from a supplier of technology and equipment into a leading player in a whole industry chain, integrating investment, building, and operation. Its business covers eco-industrial park, waste-to-energy EPC, environmental restoration, biomass power generation, and others in the environmental protection industry. In 2016, CITIC Zhuhai Eco-Environmental Protection Industrial Park Waste-to-Energy project was put into service. It was selected as a 3A class municipal solid waste incineration plant. In 2017, Ningbo Mingzhou MSW incineration plant was put into use. This deindustrialized building, using a honeycomb as its design concept, is hailed as the most beautiful power plant in China by people in the industry. It was elected as one of Zhejiang Province Industrial Tourism Demonstration Centers. Technology creates value. Innovations change the world. SUS Environment makes its active layout in accordance with the Belt and Road Initiative, striving to build another SUS Environment overseas by the time of 2025, and attaining the goal of developing from a whole industry chain into a globalized company. SUS Environment will never forget its initial aspiration and intention, which comes from the love for the place we live. Protect clear waters and lush mountains. Protect the earth, our common home.